Hey, I'm in my garage right now and I bought these LED lights for some additional lighting. Here's the light itself. These have provided great light, way better than the fluorescent bulbs that I had. Here's one of the fluorescent bulbs that I still have up. I got sick of changing these bulbs out all the time and they don't provide as much light. But I have a few up in here. There's another one. There's one as well. These are very lightweight as well, very easy to install. There's a screw right up here that mounts to your ceiling. In each light there is an outlet to run these continuously, so you can plug these in together if you want to run them next to each other. I've been very happy with the lighting that this has provided in my garage, and the low maintenance. I do not have to switch out fluorescent bulbs all the time. I hate switching out fluorescent bulbs too. They break, they flicker, they don't provide as much lighting. These LED bulbs have held up for almost 4 years, still just as bright as they were the day I got them.